thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, so you won't miss anything. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, this is honestly one of my most requested videos besides the wing eyeliner. Clearly today I decided to go a little crazy. This is a look I was like, you know, let's just get a little crazy with this kind of like super cat, almost like, I don't know, like bird? Is that like a bird eye? I don't know. Today is the day where I show you exactly what I use and how I do them. Very simply, so of course, eyebrows are religion. My most favorite product that I use is this NYX gel. This is, I do get it from Amazon. I think it's like less than $5. I'll leave the links down below for everything that I'm using. So this is actually, I bought in Brunette. I have the espresso, but the espresso is just a little too dark. I actually wear the espresso when I wear this very dark wig right here, or a super dark wig. But my favorite applicator is this brush right here from Essence. This is, I got from Ulta, and literally this brush is like $1.99. So I even have a spare because why not? It's $1.99 and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this brush. And then what I'll tell you, I'll be using this in the video, but I normally just gel this on my brush right here. But honestly, using a top from like a hairspray is like such a great tool to use, like put products on, to like spread it out on a brush. So I will just squirt this on here, and then of course, you know, dab it in here so it evenly goes on the brush. That's not something I normally do, but if I feel like I want to, by all means, go for it. So I'm gonna roll up this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have a favorite product, because this product, like I mentioned, this is like an all-day wear. Does not smudge. It is a miracle. I absolutely love this. We're gonna roll this out. Let me know what you think, and here we go. How weird do I look right now? All right, so using that cap, I honestly feel like I should use the cap more often to distribute the gel onto the brush. It's really great. So I do start in the middle, as you can see, and kind of brush it up. I do apologize for the blurriness. Apparently my camera wanted to focus on my beautiful platinum hair versus my eyebrow. Next eye will be more clear, but you can at least just see what I'm doing. So I'm just brushing it out. Also, this is the Misfit eyebrow. So this one I normally spend a little bit more time on making it right or better, or trying to match it to the good eyebrow, if you will. So I like to create kind of like that peak. So I like to make those movements of going straight up there and then dragging it across and make a pretty straight line, and then creating that peak. See, kind of like peeking it out right there and then dragging it down. Pretty easy. Not bad. All right, so we're gonna start again in the middle and kind of brush it out. Now I brush it up right there because I really want to create that beginning dramatic front brow. And then using, again, the same swift movements to drag it out like a straight line. And, you know, just going over it and just trying to make it good. And then creating that peak again. So I'm creating that peak and then dragging it down. It's all pretty simple, right? So again, with anything with beauty, makeup, unless you're doing something totally like creative and eccentric, like your eyes or your face shape will guide you your way. So I'm literally just using my own guide. Yes, it's totally exaggerated, but this is literally the exaggerated portion of my eyebrow. So you just follow it, and there they are, all glamorous and ready to attack. Whoa. And just like that, MissCarly eyebrows. How fantastic, and honestly how easy. This method literally just takes a couple minutes, and honestly it's like every day I just do it, and I love this product because it stays on all day. it actually like gels, so it's actually kind of like semi-hard, so it actually like keeps everything in place, which is gorgeous. It doesn't smudge off, it doesn't rub off. Then again, I'm also not rubbing my eyebrows, but it does not rub. So I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if you have a favorite product, a technique, or something that you absolutely love. I want to know about it. And let me know if there's any other videos that you would like me to make, because I am happy to. And of course, check me out on Instagram, where you can send me your pictures of what your beauty tricks are, and wigs, and makeup, and all that good stuff. So I want to thank you all for stopping by, and we will see you soon. Bye!